It's the holiday season, so it's time to make some homemade hot chocolate. We're gonna start off with 100 grams of dark chocolate. Chopping up this chocolate is just gonna help it melt quicker when you put it into your saucepan. Now, if you're preparing this hot chocolate with your kids, you know how they are. They're gonna wanna taste this chocolate. So let them try it out, because they're gonna be thoroughly disappointed. It's a little bit too bitter, but don't worry. Once you're done with this recipe, your kids are gonna love it because it's gonna be absolutely delicious. We're gonna start off by putting 500 milliliters of milk into your saucepan. Put 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're gonna heat up everything on medium heat. Make sure you stir it regularly with a whisk. We can see the cinnamon sticks have nicely infused their flavor into the milk, so we're gonna just remove them. There's the other one. You can add 1 tablespoon of cacao. Now you're gonna keep whisking this until the cacao is completely incorporated into the milk. Now remove it from the stove top and strain it through a sieve. This will ensure that your hot chocolate is gonna be extra creamy. You could put back your milk into the pot. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Incorporate your chocolate and whisk. Now, depending on how you like the consistency of your hot chocolate, you could cook it longer to make it thicker. And there you have it, a beautiful homemade hot chocolate in the perfect mug that has a heart that represents my love for Christmas. Absolutely divine. Merry Christmas to you all, and have a happy new year, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.